Okay, so what we got here is a BMW 1 Series 2012. It's now retrofitted with a brand new 10.2-inch screen. So, as you can see, still retains the original iDrive system. Now this is what it had in here originally. Had the small 6.5-inch screen. So we changed it to this new one. Full big 10.2-inch. Use your original controller still. Press and hold down the menu button and it will switch over to the new system. As you can see there, it's full touchscreen navigation on here. So now you got full touchscreen support. Got full digital dash on here. Also you can download various apps. Got the Play Store. Google Maps, Waze, all that you can use on here. Okay, switch back to your original car anytime you want as well. Sound comes with the original system. Additionally installed is a reverse camera. So going to reverse, get there, full nice HD clear image.